Welcome dear traders. I wanted to keep this video in the style of a very old video I've made for this channel at the very beginning, one which is very popular, where I explain things in a very simplified way just with paint. So we'll do the same here. And what I would like to draw your attention to is the different market modes. And let's talk about the two main market modes, okay? Namely, the situation where no of the two sides on the down money side, buyers or sellers, are dominating, which you can see here. Both squeeze lines are very low, none is dominant. And then what happens if the market changes into a squeeze mode, like here, into a long squeeze, downtrend, killing all those down money buyers coming in again and again. Okay, so this is very vital to understand. You could call it like the day chart squeeze versus the 4-hour reversals, because those reversals, this range price action can be seen particularly on the 4-hour chart, and whenever you have a squeeze in the day chart, it dominates everything else on the other time frames. So you could call this 4-hour reversal mode versus day chart squeeze mode. Yeah. So what's going on in this market phase? We have a consolidation. Okay. None of the two sides is dominating. Buyers and sellers are exiting the market as soon as the price moves against them. So therefore we have the 4-hour reversals, okay, which can also be tradable. Proper down money switch from longies to shorties, boom, then a move in the opposite direction, okay. But then what happens? For whatever reason, suddenly the buyers go and buy the market again and again. Lots of long activity here, green position bars, so the green squeeze line is upward sloping and dominates. There's a big difference between the green squeeze line and the red squeeze line. So what happens? Those buyers are aggressive, so the smart money algorithms push the market down against these buyers, pushing them all into drawdown, okay, taking out the stops which were below the price of these down money buyers, okay, taking all these stops one by one. Medium-term stops, short-term stops, also long-term stops, LTS, the pink ones, okay? In this market mode, you can trade for reversals if there's a proper down money switch and the bands are touched, you know the conditions. In this market mode, trade in one direction only. Do not try to trade against the squeeze. Remember, never trade against the squeeze, one of our big principles, okay? Distinguish the two. So let's look at real life, let's look at Euro-Dollar day chart. So from real life, and here we see exactly what's going on. Yeah. Here, none of the two sides dominant, so we have a rangy price action. You can trade for reversal moves. Okay. The white boxes show you those kind of modes, like here. You see. So these are for reversals. Yeah. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Okay. So rangy price action, 4-hour reversal, 4-hour reversal. These are the phases where you have reversal after reversal. But then what happens? The market gets into a squeeze mode. Okay, like here the big one. So short is coming, the dominant sells into the market. So we have an upward sloping squeeze line showing that the sellers dominate. So what does the smart money do? They push the market up against them. Okay. Here you only buy, you never sell. Never sell against an expanding short squeeze, never buy against an expanding long squeeze. Okay, as simple as that. Because as you can see, they're gonna go for it. Okay, they will push the market up again and again and again. Look, the squeeze collapsed. What happens? The price comes off. New sellers enter the market. A new squeeze emerges. So what happens? Boom. Okay, the market goes up against those sellers and takes them all out one by one, clearing the low, etc. And the same thing as a long squeeze. Okay, here suddenly buyers come into the market, longies, so they get detected and trapped. So the algos push the market down, like recently in Euro-Dollar, all the way. Okay, they collapse, pull back, and again buyers come in. So trend resumption down, killing all these down money buyers. Okay, going for the stops, etc. This is how forex works, and they alternate between the trend mode, as you could call it, the squeeze mode, and the ranging mode, the 4-hour reversal mode. You can use these simple terms as well. Our market causality shows you objectively when what is happening. So you're not blind. You see that with this database tool, which is incredible. Okay, all we got to do is identify it and adjust your trading plan accordingly. Get the MK Web. It's still only £60 per month. It won't stay like that forever. Okay, so we're going to increase prices, and the old clients will lock in the old prices. So this is amazing value you can use for your trading. Okay, you know what's going on in the markets. You're no longer on the dumb money side. You know how to protect yourself. You know when to trade in which direction and what setups to take. Okay, as simple as it said. This is proven, this is documented for years now. People have used that successfully. If you want to take your trading seriously, then do this. Okay, do not save on the wrong end. Don't get into some useless price-based indicators which will just whipsaw you away in the end. I hope you like this one. Lots of love. Take care.